How to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app. Select profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three line at top right. Scroll down. Now select sharing and reuse under how others can interact with you. Now from the section, scroll to the bottom of the screen. Now you have to select See Apps so that you can know where you share your story and post outside of Instagram. Now as you can see under sharing the other apps, Facebook has been listed. So when you share your post or in stories on Instagram, it will be shared to Facebook as well. In order to change Instagram profile picture without changing Facebook profile picture, first of all you have to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. To do so, come back and tap to the three line again at top right. Now choose Account Center. Scroll down. Tap Accounts at bottom of the screen and select your Instagram account. After that, now you have to select your Facebook account and tap on Remove button. Now tap Yes button. And once you have finished removing your account, you can easily change Instagram profile pictures without changing Facebook profile picture. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.